India is home to several leading pharmaceutical companies that have made remarkable contributions to pediatric healthcare. Among them, Piramal Pharma Limited stands out with its wide range of high-quality medicines and nutritional products for children, backed by strong research and development. Abbott India Limited is widely known for child nutrition products like Pediatric and Similac, which support growth and immunity, reflecting their commitment to innovation and quality. Cipla Limited, one of India's largest pharmaceutical companies, offers an extensive range of pediatric medicines, addressing everything from respiratory issues to infections, providing effective and affordable solutions. Sun Pharmaceutical Industries is another major player delivering high-quality generic and branded medicines, including pediatric formulations, with manufacturing facilities meeting international standards. Mankind Pharma focuses on accessibility and affordability, offering a variety of pediatric OTC and prescription products like multivitamins, fever medicines, and antibiotics. Hetero Labs Limited, known for its generic medicines, manufactures several pediatric drugs under strict quality control measures. Dr. Reddy's Laboratories is a multinational pharmaceutical company recognized for its research-driven pediatric solutions, while Himalaya Wellness specializes in herbal baby care products like baby shampoo, lotion, and diaper rash cream, safe for delicate skin. Dabur India, rooted in Ayurveda, offers traditional yet effective pediatric products like Chyawanprash and honey-based cough syrups. Lastly, Unilabs India is an emerging name focused on quality pediatric medicines and supplements in various formulations. These companies are playing a vital role in shaping the future of pediatric care in India through quality, innovation, and care.